Hello students, how are you all? So children, I hope you all are keeping well. So today we will learn grammar, chapter number 2, pronouns. So children, here you will see on the screen some types of pronouns. So first we will read it. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. So children, here we are having many types of pronouns. So together we will not see. Today first two we will see personal pronouns and possessive pronouns in detailed explanation with exercises. So children, first we will see personal pronouns. You can open your textbook and see on page number 21 you will get the definition of personal pronoun. Words like I, you, he, they and them are called personal pronouns. You can see in the table also, it is given in your textbook and I have put it on the screen also. So the first person refers to the speaker or speakers, that is I and we. In the second person refers to the person or people spoken to you. So here we will see you. For second person we are using only you for subject also and for object also. Third person refers to the person or thing spoken about to whomever we are talking. That is called the third person. So in third person subject we can use he, she or it, and in object we can use him, her, it. So same as in a plural also, for third person plural we have to use they, and for object them. So this you can study by yourself also. Now we will see about exercise. So if you will turn the page in your textbook on page number 22, we are having exercise. So I will read it for you, and as we are reading this exercise, you have to write the answers in your textbook with pencil. Otherwise you can pause the video and you can note the answer. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. Number 1. Who is that man? Do you know him? So here him is the answer. Number 2. I saw him but he didn't see me. So me is the answer. Number 3. Jia is in trouble. Can you help her? Her is the answer. Number 4. Mr. Williams was ill, so he didn't attend the meeting. So here answer is he. Number 5. Who has made these sandwiches? They taste very delicious. So here answer is they. Number 6. This story is very amusing. Have you read it? So here answer is it. Now we will see second exercise, exercise B. Choose the correct word from the brackets to complete the sentences. In this exercise we are having some bracket words and we have to find out the correct one. So I have wrote the answer. So please write it down in your textbook with pencil. Number 1. You are cleverer than her. 2. Do you like me? 3. The teacher was angry with us. 4. He sat between Gina and me. 5. You are not as industrious as him. Number 6. We went earlier than them. So children, you can pause the video and write the answers afterwards. Now we will see about possessive pronouns. So children, you can see in your textbook page number 22 possessive pronouns definition. Pronouns like mine, yours and his that shows possession are called possessive pronoun. So children, here whichever things, suppose somebody is asking about anything and someone is trying to show their possession, so this kind of words we are going to using. That suppose anybody is asking who's that pen, right? That is the example, who's this pen, and if that pen is belongs to me, so I will say it's mine. So this is called possession. Here I am showing the possession of a thing. So this kind of pronouns are called possessive pronouns. So children, you can see in your textbook also and on the screen also we are having possessive adjectives. So which kind of words we are using for possessive adjectives? So just read it. My, your, his, her, its, are, their. So these are the possessive adjective. Now we will see possessive pronouns. So for this kind of adjectives, for my, what we will use as a pronoun? So mine. Your, yours. His, his. Her, hers. It's, ours. Their, theirs. So you can see the difference. You can see in your textbook page number 22 one table is given, that possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. So you will see when we are using as the adjective my, it will turn in pronoun mine. Your, yours. His, his. Her, hers. Its, its. Our, ours. Their, theirs. So children, this was the possessive pronoun. Now we will see exercise for this. So you will see on page number 22 and 23 we are having one exercise related possessive pronouns. So I will read it for you. Number 1, first we will read the heading, that exercise C. Rewrite these sentences using possessive pronoun. So number 1 is given on page number 22. That is her bag. So this is the example. It is already written in the textbook answer. That bag is hers. Number 2, this is my cap. This cap is mine. Number 3 is written on page number 23. Just keep your finger. Number 3, that is their car, and it will change into pronoun that car is theirs. Number 4, that is our land. Answer, that land is ours. Number 5, these are my CDs. Answer, these CDs are mine. So children, we have completed exercise A, B and C. Exercise A and B given on page number 22 and exercise C given on page number 22 and 23. So after completing this video, you have to pause that page and write the answers in your textbook with pencil and write in your CW with pen. These all 3 exercises and learn also. So children, till then we will meet in the next session with another pronouns. Thank you.